Oh, really? You're using your inside voice? You're going to use your inside voice?
So, Sam, can you tell us your name?
Say hi, Sammy. Say hi, Sammy. Say hi. Oh, say hi, Sammy. Say my name's Sammy. Sammy Sam. Yo, Sammy Sam.
I really love the complexion of your feathers.
Sammy's come a long ways. Very much so.
And do we know Sammy's age?
Sammy is 18.
Okay.
Sammy's 18.
He was with his original owners for 16, and we've had him 2. Yes. I'm so handsome.
And you can see he's still... Hi, Sammy. I'm just going to look at your wing. If you look at his feather here,
Oh,
he
yeah.
chews the barbs off of it. But when we got him, he had nothing in here.
Right.
Nothing. This is the first time he's had feathers on his legs, probably in 2.5 years.
Yeah, you can still
Does
see
not
those.
like human food at all.
No. One of the only one we have that will not eat human food. Right? Yes. I know. I know.